This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Equalizer app and choosing the audio output you will tune. Once done, create a named profile and allow the app to access audio so changes apply live. Make sure you load a clean reference track and enable the visual analyzer. This gives you immediate feedback. Now set the app to neutral or flat preset so you begin from 0, then move to the next step where you make deliberate band adjustments. You focus on the middle of the process by adjusting frequency bands and the cue control to shape sound. Start with small plus or minus 3 to 6 dB moves and listen after each change. The analyzer helps, but trust your ears. Once you identify problem ranges, tighten cue to fix a boom or widen cue to sweeten tone. Make a/B comparisons frequently and try parametric moves for surgical fixes, and keep a saved version before any big adjustments so you can revert. You finish by saving the tuned profile and applying it where you listen most, whether system-wide or per app. Once saved, test with several songs at different volumes to ensure consistency and no unwanted coloration. If you hear clipping or latency, reduce overall output gain and disable any double processing. You can also reset to a flat preset and rebuild in smaller steps. If issues persist, restart the audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.